Welcome to our video on how to find phone numbers through Instagram. Today, we'll explore various methods to help you connect with people on this popular platform. Before diving in, let's talk about the importance of consent. Always remember that privacy should be respected, and obtaining someone's contact information without their permission is not appropriate. Start your search in the user's bio. Some people choose to include their phone numbers there, so it's worth taking a look. Don't forget Instagram stories or highlights. People often share contact infographics or details in these areas, making it a great place to search. A polite way to obtain a number is through a direct message. A simple, friendly message asking for their number shows interest without being intrusive. If the person has linked other social media accounts, check those too. Sometimes, they might share their phone number elsewhere. For business accounts, they often list phone numbers publicly for customer inquiries, so keep an eye out for that. Networking is key. If you have mutual friends, they might be able to connect you or provide the number. Always keep in mind the legal implications of searching for personal information online. Respect for privacy is paramount. To wrap up, always prioritize ethical ways to obtain a number, ensuring respect for privacy and consent. Thanks for watching.